We got it done. Assembly is done. We're about to hit the road bright and early in the morning. Get it done. We in one place. Man, this dealership failed my tire pressures. Not cool. I specifically asked for them to check my tire pressures. How do you do 180 point, inspection and you don't check any tire pressures? All the tire pressures are messed up. Make that make sense. These dealerships are trash. Down here helping us out over here. He can't help himself. He want to be perfect. Anyway, we finna go on the road. Terrence Brunson here. Go ahead first, bright and early tomorrow morning. We finna go on the road and make this transaction. Be safe. See you all soon.